Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So let's unbox this 450,000 worth of local food stuff that I got from the East, Anambra State, Oka precisely. Yeah, so for some reason I don't like buying my local food stores here in Lagos. I prefer buying them from the East because I feel that they have original correct one down from the East. The ones I get from here from Lagos is usually adulterated, or they smell bad, their taste is different. Yeah, so since my parents are in the East, so I prefer I'll send money to them and they will buy a whole lot and send to me. Yep. So the first thing I showed you guys was 25-liter palm oil, red oil, which I got for 45,000. Yeah, it goes for 45,000, 25-liter. Then in this bag I have stockfish, as you can see. I got about 12 of them. Yeah, about 12 of them. They were so good, free of pests, termites, and the stockfish was 55,000. Yeah, so here I'm tying it in the nylon, and like this I will store them in the freezer. So next inside this bag was ogbono. This ogbono I got it for 35,000 for one paint, that yellow paint that they normally use to that yellow custard paint. Yeah, so 35,000 naira. This is where I'm going to store it and I'll put it in the fridge. So next is this golden fruits okwa. You guys, if you know, you know, this is not for the weak. Anyways, I got this okwa for 50,000 naira. This is it 1.5 paint? Yeah, 1.5 paint, 50,000 naira. It's dried okwa. This is so clean, well cleaned, well picked, no stone. So this is why I'll store it and I'll keep it in the freezer. The next item I have here is dry fish. This is dried asa fish, not point and kill. Asa is required to be the, ogabata of them fish. They said it's very sweet. It's sweeter than point and kill. Yeah, so I got this for 165,000. This is the highlight of everything that I bought here. It is how many in a carton? I think it is 100 in a carton. Yes, I have 100 in a carton. So here I am trying to debone all of them. What I usually do is when I buy my fish, I don't just pack them like that in the freezer. I take my time to debone it. So when you debone it, it reduces and it occupies less space in your freezer. So here I will go ahead and debone every single fish here, though I did not do everything by myself. And by the time I finished the little ones that I did, my fingers, my hands were on fire. Yeah, so here, look at them. We have finished deboning. So I'm going to portion them into Ziploc bags and store them in my freezer. These fish, you guys, you see, like, it's good to buy in bulk. This fish can last me up to 1 year. Yes, 1 year with proper usage. Yeah, so after packing the fish, I was able to get 4 medium Ziploc bag full of this dry fish and 1 big Ziploc bag. You can see the big one by the corner. So I'm going to pack everything, and this is how I'm going to store them in my freezer. They are going to remain in the freezer, very fresh, anytime, any day I cook with them. So the last but not the least is this rice. You guys, forget about the bag this rice came with. It's not actually this brand. I bought rice. There's this local rice I used to buy from Anambra. That rice is good. So what happened is that you get your own bag and they will just put the rice for you in that bag. This rice is the best local rice I've ever eaten here in Nigeria. It tastes so good and it's so white, like it's very, very white in color. So this is where I'm going to store it, and yep,